Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall inspired, very glowy look. Thank you Estée Lauder for partnering up with me to create this video. To get started, I'm first going to prep my eyes with a little bit of concealer and then we're going to fill in our brows. In the waterline, we're popping in this nude eyeliner to really brighten up our eyes and make them look a little bit bigger. The palette we're using today is the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess Glow Eyeshadow Palette. And how gorgeous are these shades? We have some shimmer, some matte shades. These are perfect for fall. I wanted the crease color to have that really deep, warm look for fall, so I worked in quite a bit of that color and it blended out really nicely. The next shade that I picked up was this very bronzy, shimmery shade. I wanted to bring out the crease a little bit more and focus that color right on the outer corners of my eyes. Before moving on to the next color, I placed a little bit of concealer at the center of my eyes. Then I picked up this gold shade. It's like the purest shade of gold, very pretty with some shimmer in it. I wanted to place that right at the center of my eyes. Then I picked up the lightest shade in the palette and applied it right underneath my brow bone. To finish up the eyes, we're just going to apply some mascara and then you can pop on your favorite wispy lashes. Now we're going to be applying a little bit of primer before foundation, and then for foundation we are using one of my OG favorite foundations, which is the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. This foundation is available at Ulta. I love it because it offers me full coverage and it stays in place all day. And of course we can't forget concealer. I'm going to be using this anywhere where I want to highlight, like underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. I feel like for fall, your face can definitely handle a little bit more makeup. So I'm going to be doing a cream contour and then we're going to set that with a bronzer. And I like to set it with a bronzer because I feel like it just gives your skin this glow. So you're ready for fall, but you also still have that really pretty glow to your skin. Because I wanted this makeup to have more of a glowy look, when it came to the blush, I used something that was a little bit on the lighter side and a little bit more neutral so that it really wouldn't take away from the rest of the look. I'm going back into the Estée Lauder Goddess Glow Eyeshadow Palette and using the matte brown shade on my lower lash line. To give your skin even more of that glowy goddess glow, we're also going to be highlighting, and you're going to want to place that on the top of your cheeks, on the bridge of your nose, and you can even put some at the tip of your nose. To set the makeup, I'm using some of this setting spray and I like to apply this right before I finish up the eyes and apply mascara to my lower lash line. To finish up this look, we're just going to do our lipstick. I wanted to give you guys a neutral lip for this look, but I also wanted it to be very warm and a little bit bolder, which is perfect for fall. I hope you guys are loving this fall inspired golden glow look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!